gosh, I can't believe 5th anniversary na natin with you guys. And we just want to start it off by saying thank you so much for staying. And thank you kasi grabe na rin yung growth ng family na ito.
Yes, thank you so much for the effort. Every time may ganap kami, laging merong Blooms, laging merong nandyan na nag-cheer sa amin. So, thank you so much, Blooms.
Wala man kami dyan to join you guys, but I hope maparamdam namin sa inyo yung love namin through this message. Thank you so much for your love and support.
Yes, and we hope na in our own little ways na bibigyan namin kayo ng inspiration to dream bigger, guys. Yung mga akala nyo imposible, posible yan. Basta huwag kayong matakot mag-try.
Yes, more concerts, more festivals, and more years with you, Blooms. Enjoy kayo dyan, and pakabusog kayo today.
Yes, sana dumami pa yung family natin and mag-recruit kayo ng madaming Blooms para madami tayo sa susunod sa mga ganap nating lahat. And yes, enjoy! Alagaan niyo yung mga sarili nyo and magmahalan lang tayo lahat. Spread love!
Yes.
Happy anniversary!